let's see if this beast will start today. Oh, this poor thing's seen better days. Cat corners are optional. Oh yeah, rocker panels are optional too. And when they rot out, you just throw the rubber inside. Oh, come on. Mom has to go to town. Lately it's been showing on the monitor there, sometimes it comes up a great big wrench. And when it does that, like you can push the gas pedal and nothing, like it doesn't rev or nothing. Let's see if she starts today. Oh, for crying out loud. Well, so much for the new battery. Ah, and you can see I'm trying, not even a click. Okay, well, let's go get the jumper. There we go. I fixed it. Oh, I can't even reach the darn thing when it's up there. There we go. Got her running.